Preserving dill. We're taking fresh dill and making it into dry or frozen dill. What we're going to do is we're going to take dill, it's in a bunch, we take off the wrapper, and now what we're going to do is we're going to chop it up. You can chop it different ways. You can chop it fine, medium, coarse. It's your choice. And depending on what you're using for, you can use less or more of the stalk, the stem. I chop it up fine or medium because when you dry it, it's going to break down a bit. Once I'm finished cutting it up, I'm going to package it. I put mine into plastic bags for the freezer. And it doesn't matter if you want to use a small amount, use a small amount. If you want a large amount, use a larger bag. For drying, put it on parchment paper. Usually within 24 hours it's dry. Just mix it around once in a while and it should be dry. Packaging, you can use old pill containers that you've sterilized, or you can use jars from your spice rack that have been emptied.